Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of dash cams, the essential tech for every driver. With road incidents on the rise and a growing need for security and evidence, having a reliable dash cam can make all the difference. Not only do these devices capture critical moments on the road, but they also provide peace of mind. Join us as we explore the best dash cams on the market, ensuring you drive with confidence and protection. Let's hit the road. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now let's jump into the listicle. Number 5. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Compact and powerful, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is a game changer in the world of budget dash cams. This tiny device fits perfectly behind your car's rearview mirror, ensuring it won't distract you while driving. High-definition recording at 30 frames per second sets this dash cam apart. HDR technology ensures crisp footage, even under challenging lighting. You'll easily capture crucial details, like license plates, regardless of the weather. Installation is a breeze. The minimalistic plastic arm occupies little windshield space, making it a seamless addition to any vehicle. User-friendly features elevate your experience. Engaging with the camera is easy, despite the lack of a display. Shortcut buttons allow quick clip saving and microphone muting. You'll also enjoy the Garmin Drive app for effortless setting adjustments. Review recordings and check the camera's perspective right from your smartphone. Voice control functions and a G sensor enhance your security. While GPS functionality would be a useful addition, it doesn't detract from the camera's reliability. This model excels at doing what it sets out to do, providing clear footage without unnecessary frills. What I appreciate most is its simplicity. It embodies set-and-forget technology, allowing you to drive without worries. Minor downsides include the absence of advanced driver assistance features, which may appeal to some drivers. Experience peace of mind with the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. It's the perfect companion for anyone seeking reliable recording on a budget. Number 4. Vantrue E1. Compact and effective, the Vantrue E1 stands out in the world of dash cams. With its ability to record 2.5K video at 30 fps or Full HD at 60 fps, clarity is never a concern. This ensures you capture every detail on your drive, making it a fantastic option for anyone wanting high-quality footage. Nighttime performance impresses as it delivers sharp results with accurate colors, minimizing noise in dim conditions. Using an optional polarizing filter further enhances your experience by reducing dashboard reflections. Additionally, the 160-degree capture angle provides a broad view, ensuring you won't miss crucial moments on the road. Mounting is simple and effective thanks to the magnetic design. While it does lack sideways adjustment, most users will find a suitable position that works well centrally. A small 1.54-inch screen helps during installation, but the smartphone app becomes the more valuable tool for tweaking settings. While other models boast driver assistance systems, Vantrue focuses on video quality, an admirable choice for users prioritizing crisp images over bells and whistles. Wi-Fi and GPS connectivity offer useful features for storing and managing your footage without hassle. What's especially great about the Vantrue E1 is its sleek profile. It won't obstruct your view. However, it may not fit all interior layouts easily due to the limited mount adjustment. This camera excels in providing high-quality visuals without extra bulk. Still searching for the perfect dash cam? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Nextbase IQ. Upgrade your driving experience with the Nextbase IQ. This smart surveillance camera for your car is packed with features that make it stand out from other dash cams. Available in 1K, 2K, and 4K options, you can choose the resolution that meets your needs. One of the best aspects of the Nextbase IQ is its seamless integration with your car's systems. It boasts parking assistance, voice-activated witness mode, and allows for easy vehicle check-ins via the app. This connectivity ensures that you always have an eye on your car, enhancing peace of mind. The interior camera adds a layer of security that many models lack. Whether driving solo or with others, you gain a comprehensive view of your surroundings. An optional rear-facing unit can provide even more coverage. Setup is straightforward, making it easy for anyone to get started. The app is intuitive, giving quick access to all features. Additionally, the 4K footage delivers stunning clarity, ensuring you capture every moment in detail. While the paid subscription may seem daunting, it unlocks the full potential of this advanced model. This camera remains powered through your vehicle's battery, keeping it functional even when the engine is off. With impressive features and top-notch performance, the Nextbase IQ sets a high standard for smart dash cams. Number 2. Cobra SC 400D. Get ready to elevate your driving experience with the Cobra SC 400D. This premium dash cam impressively combines stunning 4K resolution with a user-friendly touchscreen. Capturing every detail on the road has never been easier. Navigating through settings feels quick and intuitive. Its responsive interface allows you to make adjustments effortlessly while driving. Plus, the Drive Smarter app enhances your journey by providing police alerts and driver reports, keeping you safe and informed. One standout feature is its secure mounting system. It sticks firmly to your windshield with a sticky pad and a powerful magnet, ensuring it stays in place during any drive. While the mount only swivels forward and backward, its wide-angle lens compensates beautifully, offering a comprehensive view of the surroundings. While some competitors might provide side-to-side adjustments, they often fall short in lens quality. What truly captures your attention is the visual clarity. The 4K resolution delivers sharp, clear footage that proves invaluable for reviewing incidents or talking to insurers. Other dash cams with lower resolutions just can't compete. One minor aspect to consider is that the limited mount swivel can be a factor for specific setups. Instead of seeing it as a drawback, think of it as a reminder to position the camera thoughtfully. With its extensive features and exceptional performance, the Cobra SC 400D stands out as the best premium dash cam. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Nextbase 622 GW. Capture every moment on the road with the Nextbase 622 GW. This dashcam impressively combines advanced features that make it an unbeatable choice for any driver. Recording in stunning 4K at 120 FPS ensures you capture every detail in crystal clear quality. When you encounter bumpy roads, built-in image stabilization keeps your videos smooth and professional. Drive through rain or shine without worrying, thanks to its extreme weather mode and a clever polarizing filter that minimizes reflections. Hands-free operation feels effortless with voice commands via Alexa, allowing you to focus entirely on driving. Enhanced night vision provides clear images in low light, ensuring safety knows no time limitations. For added peace of mind, parking mode detects accidents while you're away from your vehicle. What truly sets the 622 GW apart is its integrated emergency SOS service. In a serious situation, this feature can contact first responders automatically. Coupled with what 3 words integration, assistance can find you precisely, even in remote locations. Combining this with a rear-view camera gives you a comprehensive view, ensuring safety from all directions. While some features come at an added cost, the incredible functionality justifies the investment. Although two-way recording isn't standard, most users find the extensive features more than sufficient. That said, expect a fantastic experience with the best dash cam overall. That's a wrap! We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best dash cams. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which dash cam you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.